Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Bondi Junction for Bondi Junction part number 3. That's H35 and H24. They just terminated on platform 1. They're just going to go around the loop just up there and arrive on platform 2, and they'll form a Kiama service. We've got a Tangara arriving into platform 2. This train will terminate and then go to Cronulla. T69 leading. About to depart platform 1, we have a waterfall service. The front 4 cars T14, the rear 4 cars T106. T106. T106 is the next G set. It used to be G6. T98 and 69 now departing platform 2 for a Cronulla service. These are Hornsby sets, running off sector. Kiama service approaching platform number 2. This train will stop all stations to Central, then Redfern, Helensburgh, then all stations to Wollongong, then all stations to Kiama. It'll be H35 and H24, as you guys may have seen earlier in the vlog. Okay, so H24 is leading. Kiama service just about to depart platform 2. Edgecliff will be the first stop. got a Tangara approaching platform 2. This train will terminate, then return to Waterfall via Banksia. T5 is leading. Cronulla via Cogra service about to depart platform 1. This train will stop all stations to Sutherland, then Kirrawee, Gaimea, Miranda, Caringbah, Woolooware, then Cronulla. The set numbers were T104 and T30. T104 is an ex-G set, it used to be G4. G4 was converted into T104 just after a derailment at Unanderra, and T30 doesn't have such good history either. It derailed and landed on its side at Kingsgrove years ago. Anyway guys, God, what a happy way to end a video. Anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.